Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on Language, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages, and in order to add new one, just tap on Add a Language, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of suggested languages by Samsung. And if you cannot find the language you'd like to use here, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on all languages, and the list will be much wider. So all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick French, for example, and as you can see, sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, after tapping on it, your device will ask you if you really want to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on Set as Default, and as you can see, the French has been immediately applied to this list. It appears at the top of the list, and the whole system and the whole menu is in the chosen language. In order to change the language, if you've got 2 or 3 different languages added, all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set and tap on Apply, probably. And as you can see, the English has been immediately applied again. What's more, we can remove the languages from this list if you want to. Just tap on Edit, and as you can see, you can mark the language you'd like to remove. So tap on the trash bin icon and tap on Remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.